So good morning. This is the second video of this chapter, understanding Windows 10 for class 5. Now this is the first part of today's video. Now, pinning an app to the start menu. How to keep an app so that how to keep an app in the start menu so that you can directly access that particular app from the start button. So what is to be done? Now click the start button. First of all, you need to click on the start button, then you need to click on all apps. Okay, you need to go to all apps. Then what you have to do, you have to right click on the required app, which app you want to pin. Okay, that you have to first of all select it and then right click it. After right click, a pop-up menu will appear. Okay, a pop-up menu will come out just like this. A pop-up menu will come out. Okay, if you right click over here, a right click on this, it will lead to a pop-up menu here again. Okay, and then what you need to do, click on pin to the start button. Okay, what you need to do, in that pop-up menu, one option will be there, that click on pin to start menu, and this app will be pinned in the start menu. Now how to resize the tiles. Okay, so the tiles that will be acting like a tablet code, how to make it small, how to make it large. If you want it in a large shape, how to make it large. If you want in a small shape, how to make it small. Or if you want in a medium size, how to make all that, how to change this size of the tiles. Now the resizing tiles, what are the steps? Right click on the tile. First of all, you need to select the tile, or you need to right click on it. Okay, a pop-up menu will come out, a menu. After right clicking, a menu, right click on the tiles, a menu is going to come. Now when you talk about next part, the next part is click on resize button. You need to click on the resize button. Okay, in resize button there will be options like small, medium, wide and large. Where you will get that options? When you will click on resize button, a pop-up menu is going to come out which will have options like small, medium, wide and large. Clear? Now step 3. Step 3 is, according to your choice, you will be selecting the size of your own. Okay, just like if you want large size, you will be selecting, clicking on that. After right click that, in that, from that pop-up menu you need to choose large. If you want small, you need to click on that small option. So step 3 is select the size of your choice, whatever size you will be wanting, or you want to work upon. So it will be having all those size. Clear? Our next topic is moving and grouping. Moving and grouping means how to move your tiles in the start menu. Okay, how to make it groups. Now for that there are 2 steps. Now that is step 1. What you need to do, you need to drag the tiles to the bottom of the start menu. Okay, you need to drag that. How you will be dragging it? By clicking that tile. Okay, but you need to click with your mouse and you need to move it. Okay, that's what we call dragging. Drag the tiles to the bottom of the start menu. Okay, to the bottom. That means at the end, a blank horizontal bar appears. There will be a blank horizontal bar. Horizontal bar in the sense like this. One horizontal bar will be there. Okay, with the name group as heading. Okay, now this horizontal bar will be appearing with names group as its heading. Clear? Now step 2. Now what is step 2? Click on the name group. You need to click on the name group as well as add a name. Okay, in that name group you need to add a name, and you can now add the relevant tiles. Whatever relevant tiles are there, you need to add it to the group. Clear? You need to add it to the group. Now turn off live tiles. So if any live tiles is there, that will be giving you information regarding your news, any business news. It can be a sport news. Okay, suppose there is a live tile which will be giving information about your weather forecast. Okay, so suppose if any from in this live light tiles. You don't want one specific light tiles. Like if you don't want weather forecast, okay, you don't want the weather forecast, so what is to be done to remove that, okay, or turn off? Now step 1, right click on the tile that you want to off. Suppose this weather forecasting tile you don't want, so you just right click on the tile that you want to make off. A pop-up menu will appear. Now what will happen, once you right click on the tile that you want to off, a pop-up menu will come out, a menu bar will come, okay, a option will come, and click on more drop menu. There will be option where it will be written click on more drop menu, so again it will lead to somewhere, okay. You just click on that more drop menu, and there you will see turn live tile off option. This live tile off option will be there, okay. You just click it over there. Your live tiles that you don't want, that will be off. Now the next point is universal app. Okay, this one, universal app. Now universal apps are those apps that can run or that will be running on any of the platforms, like your smartphones, okay. So it will be running in your smartphone also, as well as your laptops, as well as your desktop computers, okay. Now what are the example of universal app? Universal apps are photos, weather. In your smartphone also you will get information related to weather, as well as you can see your information related to weather through your desktop, as well as if you have laptops or desktop computers at your home, you can see your mail, okay. These all features are available, okay. The same feature will be available in different platforms, like your phone, okay. If you have computers at your home, desktop computers, you can see your mail, the weather forecasting, the calendars through that, okay. As well as if you can see it through your laptop also, clear. Now customizing the desktop. Now customizing the desktop means giving related information. Customizing means modifying the desktop, okay. How to modify the desktop, how to make it look good, okay, how to make it more designable. Now there are 4 options, or there are 5 steps. We have written 3 over here. And now right click on an empty part of the desktop, okay. So you need to click on the empty part where icons are not there in the desktop. You need to click on that part of the desktop. A pop-up menu will appear. Obviously a pop-up menu will come out through, okay. Suppose if this is your computer, here you are right clicking, here icons are there, icons are there, icons are there, okay. You are right clicking over there, a pop-up menu will come out. In that, personalize will be written. Click on personalize, okay. This personalize, okay. Click on personalize option, okay. Now from left pan, click on color option. Once you click on that personalize, it will lead you to a portal, and it from the left pan you need to click on the color option. You need to click on that specific color option. Step 4. Now what you need to do, from the right pan you need to choose the color, which color you want to give, okay. Now step 5. To apply the same accent of color on the start taskbar action center, suppose you want to give the same color to everywhere, what you need to do, click on the check boxes. There will be small check boxes, okay. Square type of options will be there, or this type, sorry, like this option will be there. You need to click there. Under show checkbox, under the show accent color on the following surface options. All these options will be having a checkbox with them, and you need to click on that to get the desired result. Now the last step, that is step 6. To apply transparent effect, turn on the transparency effect, okay. So if you want to give a transparent effect, transparent means that which allows its light to pass, okay. If you want to see, if you want to allow the light to pass, if you want a clear color, what you need to do, you need to turn on the transparency effect option under more option section. So more option section will be there. There will be a section which is named as more option, and you need to click there on transparency effect. You can see the change, necessary color change what you have done. The color scheme will be applied to your desktop. Clear? So that's all for today. Till then, thank you.